Hold on. Hello, I'd like to welcome you to Energy Automation Services. Today here we're replacing some bearings on this CNT Motion Systems router, single-headed router, and we had some problems with the X-axis slide bearings were bad. We pulled this out, got the spindle motor out so we could get the table up, and from there we were able to get kind of a poor design. These bearings here for the Z were actually in the way of the getting the bearings off for the X-axis, the bottom bearing. So we had a bit of a trouble there. So anyway, this is where we're at. We service this, service any plasma cutter, router, wood router, whatever, and replacement bearings and whatever else you need, electronics, computer systems. That's all. Thank you. Well, give us a call, 804-356-5068. Thank you, sir.